Let's go, y'all. Woo. Dude, that's way bassier. So I've got some spare leftover speaker wire. Yeah. So what they say to do, and I've never done this before. I'm gonna try to make this 4 ohm subwoofer into a 2 ohm subwoofer by splitting the two parts of the wire completely away, like that there. And then I need to get my strip on. Thank goodness the camera's on a tripod because you are not trying to see all that. Okay. Do the old stripperoo. Like that there. This is probably not the preferred method. I think I have a stripper somewhere in my toolbox. I just don't feel like looking for it. Let's see, I'm gonna strip this on down like that. Use my teeth because that's what the good Lord gave them to you for. Strip successful 1. If I show up on the next video missing a tooth, I think you'll know why. We are going to it's dual voice coil subwoofer. We're going to take the positive to the positive, the negative to the negative. All right. And while we're doing that, well, I guess since I haven't done it yet, I can be both negative and positive right now with my, like that negative spiel I just went on there. I'm shortening the negative. Okay, because that was too long too. So since I'm shortening the negative, I should have kept my negative comments even shorter. We'll just use this, shortening the negative to not make it so long. That's just staying positive. Woohoo! Okay, so I went negative to negative, positive to positive, right? Yep. And then rather than, can you guys see me in this shot? Rather than connecting this lead back to these two together like I had it originally. Oh, let me go. Call me Fumbelina. Had those connected together. And then that connected into this side, right? So, bye Felicia. And then we're gonna I'm gonna probably bungee these two together with some zip tie or something, so they won't be getting a rattle fest on up in the old bumper box here. And I'll put it back together, see how it all works out, and hopefully we'll see if the bass is a little bit heavier, a little bit cleaner. The bass wasn't bad. Definitely was better than the factory sub that was there. This sub can handle so much more power than the factory sub could even think about handling. It's also built a lot better. I mean, it's not made of that crappy paper material. This is actually made of a polymer kind of material. It's just a lot more fortified. The speaker on this sub is a lot better. This thing's only 40 bucks on Amazon, so very nice, and it sounds very good. It can definitely stand a lot more power than what the factory amp is throwing it. So I thought that maybe if I take it from a 4 ohm into a 2 ohm, we shall see. So stay tuned for that. Dude, that's way bassier. Wow, dude, that's way bassier. I gotta play that again. Man, that crossing up from 4 ohm to 2 ohm did make a difference. Let's see. don't know if this is a bass track or not. Hang on. Thumpalina. Damn. Dude. Wow, that's way bassier, man. Dude, that sucker's jumping around. Nice. It worked. Anyway, those are a couple of songs that I created because I wasn't too sure about how to do this copyright-free music thing, so I just made a few songs myself. And I guess that's it. So man, that thing basses a lot more. Oh my god. I guess I'll have to just give it a go. You know, try it for. It's always impressive the first time you hear it. I guess you give it some time to listen to. Give it about a few days and see what my impressions are then. But damn, it's way bassier. I'd say at least 2 to maybe 3 times bassier than what it was. So, and I had the bass initially set at the max, and I think I still might have it set there close to the max for the bass. But man, it's much more of a presence bass wise. So very cool. So I guess that's what happens when you take a 4 ohm subwoofer and make it into a 2 ohm subwoofer.